Virtual reality cinema, an immersive movie experience. Title: Virtual reality cinema, an immersive movie experience. Introduction: 100 words. In recent years, the entertainment industry has witnessed a technological revolution with the advent of virtual reality, VR, cinema. This innovative concept merges the magic of filmmaking with cutting-edge VR technology to deliver an unparalleled immersive movie experience. Through VR headsets, audiences can now enter a world where they are not merely passive spectators but active participants. End the story. 1. The evolution of virtual reality cinema, 200 words. Virtual reality cinema is a natural progression from traditional cinemas, interactive games, and VR technology. Over the years, cinematographers, technologists, and storytellers have been experimenting with ways to enhance audience engagement and immersion. Early attempts involved limited interactions using 3D glasses, but virtual reality has taken the immersive experience to the next level. With VR cinema, viewers become characters in the film, actively interacting with the environment and influencing the storyline. Advances in motion tracking, haptic feedback devices, and room-scale TR acting have made it possible to create lifelike scenarios that blur the line between reality and fiction. Now, audiences can physically walk within the movie scene, touch and interact with virtual objects, and even make decisions that reshape the narrative. 2. The impact on the film industry, 300 words. The emergence of virtual reality cinema has raised a myriad of possibilities for the film industry. Filmmakers now have access to a new medium to convey their stories, utilizing the immersive nature of VR to create unforgettable experiences. Directors, writers, and animators can explore innovative storytelling techniques that fully exploit the potential of this medium. Moreover, virtual reality cinema opens up avenues for experimental and independent filmmakers. Traditional films often face constraints due to budgets, physical sets, and location availability, but VR cinema breaks these barriers. With VR technology, filmmakers can build entire worlds in a digital space, providing a wide range of creative possibilities at a fraction of the cost. From a business perspective, VR cinemas offer a unique selling point for movie theaters and multiplexes. By incorporating VR experiences alongside traditional films, cinema owners can attract a new demographic and offer a premium, unforgettable movie experience. VR cinema can also provide an enhanced revenue stream as audiences are willing to pay a premium for immersive entertainment. 3. Challenges and limitations, 200 words. Despite its potential, virtual reality cinema faces a few challenges and limitations. One of the main obstacles is the cost of entry. VR headsets and equipment are still relatively expensive, making it less accessible to a wider audience. However, as technology advances and becomes more affordable, this obstacle is likely to diminish. Another challenge is the motion sickness experienced by some users when exposed to VR environments. Although significant progress has been made in reducing motion sickness, not all viewers can fully enjoy the experience without discomfort. Ensuring a seamless and comfortable VR experience for all users remains a priority for developers. Additionally, content production for VR cinema poses new challenges for filmmakers. Traditional storytelling techniques may not necessarily translate well into virtual reality, requiring them to adapt and experiment with a new medium. Creating compelling narratives that fully leverage the interactive nature of VR cinema demands skill and innovation. 4. The future of virtual reality cinema, 300 words. The future of virtual reality cinema holds immense potential for further innovation and growth. As technology continues to evolve at a rapid pace, VR experiences will only become more immersive, real, and accessible. The development of lighter, more comfortable VR headsets, coupled with advancements in graphics and processing power, will pave the way for even more compelling cinematic experiences. One exciting area of exploration is the integration of social interaction in virtual reality cinema. Imagine being able to watch a movie with friends or family members located thousands of miles away, all while feeling as if you are physically together in the same virtual space. This could revolutionize the way we connect and share experiences, transcending geographical boundaries and bringing people closer together. Another aspect that is expected to gain momentum in virtual reality cinema is the incorporation of artificial intelligence, AI. AI algorithms can analyze user preferences, behavior, and reactions to create personalized and adaptive movie experiences. This could result in dynamically changing narratives based on individual choices, leading to a truly customized and immersive storytelling experience. Virtual reality cinema also has the potential to transform other forms of entertainment, such as live performances and exhibitions. Artists and musicians can create virtual reality concerts and exhibitions, allowing audiences to experience their work in a whole new dimension. This opens up endless possibilities for creative collaborations and unique artistic expressions. However, as with any emerging technology, ethical considerations and content regulation will need to be addressed. Virtual reality cinema has the power to blur the lines between reality and fiction, potentially raising concerns about the impact on morality, psychological well-being, and privacy. Striking a balance between creative freedom and responsible use will be crucial in shaping the future of virtual reality cinema. 5. Expanding virtual reality cinema's reach, 300 words. To fully harness the potential of virtual reality cinema, efforts are underway to expand its reach and make it more accessible to a wider audience. One such initiative is the development of VR arcades and theme parks. These dedicated spaces provide individuals with the opportunity to experience VR cinema without the need to invest in expensive equipment. Visitors can immerse themselves in a variety of virtual worlds and enjoy cinematic experiences in a social setting. Furthermore, advancements in mobile VR technology are also bringing virtual reality cinema to the masses. With the widespread availability of smartphones, individuals can now access VR experiences rough affordable headsets that use their smartphones as the display. This opens up a new market of users who can enjoy immersive movie experiences from the comfort of their own